guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So today I am back with a haul video. It's been long that I haven't posted any haul video, and I thought it would be fun creating under a budget haul. So I have already read by the title. This is a tops haul. I bought tops from Amazon under 400 rupees. So I bought around 10 tops, but one is still not here, so I thought it's okay. There are 9 tops already. So I'll be showing you everything that I bought under 400 rupees from Amazon. Also, I'll make sure to link all the tops links in the description box. In case if you want them, you can check them out. And if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So before we move on to the video, before I show you all the tops, I'll make sure to write the price here, as well as I'll insert a picture here, so that it will be easy for you to take. And the very first top is this olive green colored one. I actually ordered it in black color, but I don't know why it has come in olive green, but still I love it. It has like this frill pattern here, and sleeves are also basic sleeves, and this looks really great. Talking about the quality, it is good. Like, for the price I have paid for it, it's really good and I loved it. I recently made a styling reel on it. So this is the first purchase. The second top that I bought is this red colored one with polka dot print, and this is in the size small, and it is a boat neck one. And talking about the sleeves has a cut pattern here and a tie up thing here, so it would look great. And I bought it for around around 250 rupees. I don't know exactly. I'll make sure to link it, put it on the screen, but this is how it looks like. The third top that I bought is this pastel pink colored, and it has this neck pattern going on, and this is also small in size. I haven't worn it yet. It is very basic and it has a slightly puff sleeved pattern going on the sleeves, and this is how it looks like. The next one is this powder blue colored one. It has this ruffle kind of going on from both the sides, and its sleeves also has like a bell sleeve, and this one is also really good one. I bought it, I loved the color as well as the pattern that it had. And for this I bought the size medium because they didn't had small in this at that moment, but I think I would fit in it. Like, it would look great on me, and if this doesn't fit me, I'll give it to my mom because she also wears such kind of tops. So this is the next purchase. Is this blue colored one. It has floral print all over the top, and I am in the size small, and its neck pattern is also really good. It has that ruffle type of thing, and it's high neck, like yahan tak to aa hi jayega. And I love, I usually wear casual tops on my day-to-day basis, so this one is also great. The next top that I bought is this pista green colored one. It has elastic on the sleeves like this, and its collar pattern also has like a ruffle detail, plus it has a tie-up thing in front. And if you're an office going person, then this would be a great buy because it's so simple yet sophisticated, and this is how it looks. Now on to the next top. The next one is this off-shouldered one, but it also has this strap, so it's kind of like this. And the sleeves are also pretty simple. Like, they are a kind of wide one, like they give that bell sleeves vibes, but it's not exactly bell sleeves. And this one is also pretty plain. And talking about the fabric, I think all of the tops have that rayon fabric, and this one is also in the size small, and I love it. Like, it's cute, it's simple, and it's plain. Also, it's red in color. So now on to the second last top. The second last top that I bought is this pink colored one. I actually ordered small size in this, but it came in medium. I thought of returning it before, but वो process में बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाता. So I thought I would alter it, and it has this elastic sleeve here, and this is the front. This is an Indo-Western top, so like you can even wear it on Indian occasions, or you can even wear it for your college on your day-to-day basis. And the fabric is, I think, cotton one. It's great. Like, for the price, it's great.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed.
So now on to the last top. The last one is not exactly a top. It's shirt and top, mixture of both. It's this white colored top. It's oversized. I actually bought it in small, but it still looks great. And I loved the pattern that it has here. It's like open here, so belly ke region mein wo open rehta hai, and on the upper side it gives that formal vibe. So if you're office going, then this one is also a great option for you. And it's pretty simple and it looks really great. I got this one also around 200 rupees. I'm not sure, but the prices will be already on the screen. So this is the last one.
The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And again, I'm mentioning I have made sure to link all the tops links in the description box, so in case if you want them, you can check them out, you can get yourself, because I have tried making this like under a budget video. I think everyone can afford this kind of tops, not all, but at least one for yourself. And if you want me to do any different haul videos like Myntra or Ajio, Street Style Store, any, then please let me know in the comments below. I would love to do that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.